Good morning everyone, this is George Beiruthi from Securities giving you the market report for Wednesday the 24th of September 2014. Here we are, we're a stockbroking firm located on the Gold Coast in Queensland, Australia, and I intend to give you a bit more information about the company later in this presentation. Let me start with a disclaimer. Everything I say here today is for general information and general advice only. And please, before you take any action, consult with your professional advisor and talk to us directly. A copy of this disclaimer is available to you should you wish to receive it. Please call the office to receive a copy. Today I continue with my editorial about information that we read and absorb before we trade. And today we focus on the market efficiency versus anomalies in the market. So this is an interesting series which will probably be covered in the next few more days. Prior to that, we finished a 13-part series on everything you need to know about option trading, and we covered the iron condor strategy that we use extensively here in Australia at FS Securities. Prior to that, we finished a series on futures contract. And if you wish to receive a copy of all the series that we put here in our market report, please visit our website and subscribe for a 15-day free trial if you're not already a member. You will find our daily recommendations, our daily scans, our current and previous trading results, and a lot more. So we encourage you to try our 15-day free trial. Okay, we start with the data overnight. And as you can see on the screen, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was down 116 points or 0.7% and closed at 17,056. The broad S&P 500 lost 12 points or 0.6% and finished at 1,982. In Europe, the Stockmarket 50 index that comprises several European major markets was down 1.6% at 3,206. In London, the FTSE 100 was down 1.4%. In Japan, the Nikkei was down 0.7%. And in China, the Shanghai index went the other way and finished up 0.9%. On the commodities, gold a short time ago was trading at 1,223 US per ounce, and that is up $8 overnight. Silver closed this morning at $17.78, up 8 cents. Crude oil this morning at 91.5 US a barrel, and that is steady. Copper, the world's economic barometer, was at 303 cents per pound, and that is down 0.1%. And iron ore, which is important for our miners such as BHP, Rio, Atlas Iron and Fortescue, was down another 0.5% at 79.4 US a ton, and that is the lowest price in 5 years. On the currencies, our dollar will give you 88.5 US cents, 96.4 Japanese yen, 68.8 euro cents, and 53.9 British pence. And these, of course, are intrabank rates. On our market yesterday, the benchmark ASX 200 index jumped 1% to 5,416. A rebound in the big banks and a better than expected reading of Chinese factory activity powered a rally in Australian shares. The local market bounced back after trading below its 2013 closing price after the spot price of iron ore fell below $80 a ton. The best performers yesterday amongst the leaders, Newcrest Mine up 4%, followed by AMP 2.9%. The worst performer was Santos, down 0.6%. The Australian share market is tipped to open lower on the back of weak lead from international markets. The SPAR futures contract was down 17 points, indicating a possible negative start when the market opened in less than an hour. Every day we show you the announcements that are due out in the market today, here locally as well as the US. In Australia, we have the Financial Stability Review data, and tonight we have the US home sales in the United States, which can of course affect the confidence of the market and may push the market up or down. During the week, our analysts here at FS Securities place several stocks for picks and trades. What you see here is only a summary of the positions. A more detailed information is placed on the website under our picks and trades menu. If you wish to discuss any of these stocks, you may wish to call us directly or visit our website. Every day we update the market volume to show the trend over the last 3 weeks. We also like to show the ratio of advances to declines. I believe it really shows the strength of the momentum and how the buyers and the sellers interact. I believe this is one of many ways to understand the trend of the market. Again, this chart is available on our market report that we send to our subscribers and we place on the website. As you can see on the screen right now, out of the last 8 trading days, we had 6 where we had more declines than advances. Yesterday, even though the market was up, we still had 38% of all the companies that traded were actually on the declines. Advances was slightly below that, 37%. And you can see that the volume yesterday was 2.2 billion transactions that took place. Again, a bit lower than the day before when the market really was hit very hard when it fell by nearly 77 points. We like to actually scan the market every night and tell you what happened during the last trading day, which company went up. And in here you can see a company called John Shearer went up 33% from $1.2 to 1.6. New Farm went up by 12%. TPG Telecom went up by 6% yesterday, and it's been going up for the last few days. Newcrest Mines, I mentioned, it's gone up by 4%. Domino Pizza also appears on the screen on several occasions. Again, they produced some very good results recently. We also like to show you the most active by volume, and that's also you can see that Telstra had a very big volume yesterday. 44 million shares exchanged hands. Previously, last week, the average was about 25 million. And yesterday, Telstra went up by 1.7%, nearly 9 cents up. Fortescue Metal went up by 2.2%, even though the price of iron ore was down. So again, this information can help you to formulate a strategy for today and perhaps the rest of the week. We also like to take a snapshot of the 10 best performing companies as well as the 10 worst performing. Here we mentioned New Farm 12%, TPG, Horizon. So this list is available to you. On the worst performing, starting from the very bottom, Atlas Iron was down 4.7%, and you go up the list, Bidel Resources, Oz Mineral, Northern Star, a gold producing company. All these companies help you to be able to assess if you have any of these stocks, whether you should buy more or sell or hold. We also like to give you how each sector performed, and on this chart here you can see that most sectors, with the exception of property, were all up. Property was down 0.2%, and going down that column to see the best performing sector, we see that information technology was up 2.1%. Telecommunication was up 1.8% thanks to TPG and Telstra. Utilities was up 1.5%. The next column in the blue, it tells you at what point in the range of trading it finished. So when you see 100% for mid-cap 50, it tells you that it finished on the highest level of the range yesterday. Well, that's all from us here at FS Securities. First of all, who I am. My name is George Beiruthi. I'm here the director at FS Securities. I have many years of trading and investment experience, as you can see, and several qualifications to support what I offer my clients. My ambition today is to help our clients and prospective clients to become effective investors and traders. Who we are, I mentioned we're a stockbroking firm. Actually, we are fully licensed. We trade shares, options, commodities, CFDs and foreign exchange, and offer our clients a very attractive investment at 7% over 1 year, interest paid monthly, or even 9% over 3 years, again interest paid monthly. Also, we are financial planners and cater for all your financial needs. How to reach us? Yes, you can call us on our landline 61 for Australia, 7 for Queensland, 5630 4141. That's our landline number. Alternatively, you can call my mobile. I'm available to be reached 7 days a week. You can also write to me at george@fssecurities.com.au. And again, you can go to our website, and we highly recommend that you join us on a 15-day free trial if you're not already a member, where you can see our daily recommendations, daily scans, our current trading positions and results. You'll also see our tutorials, educations, webinars, and daily editorials, and many charts and information. So why don't you register now for the 15-day free trial? We'll be back at 1:15 this afternoon to tell you what happened during the morning, and have a fantastic day.